Hello, year 11. Good to see you all. Welcome back to another video. We're going to be talking today about multi-stage events and probability. I think it's okay. Pretty good topic. Hopefully you guys enjoy it as much as I do. But before we start, let's go with a joke. Okay, why does no one go to the restaurant on the moon? The food's great, but there's just no atmosphere. Ha 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 ha. Okay, enough of that. Let's go straight to our work today. So there's a couple notes here, and I would highly encourage you to take it, especially the first line. That's the most important one. Multi-stage events. What is it? It's events with multiple stages. Amazing. Now, I'm going to put down this hint very, very early on. When you're talking about multi-stage events, the best and easiest way to see all of the things that go on in this array of stuff is to use a diagram, whether it's a tree diagram or a table, that's up to you. But we're going to use these kind of visual things to help us to see what's going on. So I'm going to run you through two examples of what they might look like and how we can use either a tree or a table. So let's take a look here. Let's have a question. So let's say a shop sells a range of tutus. I'm using tutus because this is going to be on the 22nd of the 2nd, 22, which is tutu day. Okay, so we sell a range of tutus. Colors come in red, green, blue, and sizes come in small, medium, large, and they're all equal in number. Okay, so we want to find the probability of picking something red or something large. And so again, could be an overwhelming question, but let's use a table to kind of, now where's the multi-stage you ask here? Well, there's colors and there's sizes. There's two things going on. So if we were to use a table, on one side, we can either have, let's go using a table. Let's draw our table maybe this way. I'm either going to get small, medium, or large. And I'm either going to get red, green, or blue. Red, green, or blue. Okay, so immediately once we start to get this down, hopefully you'd be a little bit neater than I was, but this is just as an example, and I have these nice straight lines. We can see what goes on here. We can either have a small red, a small green, or a small blue. We could have a medium red, and you get the idea, a medium green, a medium blue, and you can have a large red, a large green, or a large blue. Now we can see here, again, with probability, we like to talk about the total. How many total options do we have? We have 9 total options. And if we want to pick something red or something large, all we have to do is, okay, where are all the red ones? That's red. Where are all the large ones? Well, they're here. So for me to pick something at random and pick something either red or large is going to be, and I should write this down properly as well with the correct notation because that matters. Probability of red or large is going to be how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them out of a total of 9 options. So that there would be your answer. Cool. That there's an example of using a table. You put, I guess, one of the events or one of the options down one, like down the columns. And then for the rows, for the headings, you want to do the other event. So in this case, it was sizes and colors, but it could be anything. And you can just put them side by side. Okay, now, cool. Now we've got that. Let's take a look at another question. And of course, they could ask you more questions on this, but I think you get the idea. Probability is always going to be the number of favorable outcomes over the number of total outcomes. So let's take a look here. A different type of question. A family plans to have 4 children. Okay, 4. Find the probability that they get exactly 3 boys. Okay, so this time I'm going to use a tree diagram, and it's going to look a little bit like this. Okay, when you have your first kid, you got 2 options, hopefully. Okay, I know it's 2021, 2022, but we're going to talk about it for now as if there's only 2 because that's what math is saying right now. So you're either going to get a boy or a girl on the first kid. All right, but then what happens is for your second kid, you can have a boy or a girl again. Or if you have a girl, for your second kid, you can have boy or girl. And then we do this again. Right, you can either get a boy or a girl. After that, 2 boys. And then same thing. And then same thing, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. And I'm going to do one last one, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. And this is going to be a bit tedious, but you get the idea, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Okay. I'm going to write this out, boy, girl, boy, girl. I knew I should have just done 3 kids. I don't know why I chose to do 4, but it's okay. You get to see me do this, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Okay. All right, we're here. Okay, so using this tree diagram, we can see that if you travel down the line, that means boy, 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 boy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is at the end of these, I'm just going to write, this is going to be B, 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 B for boys. This would be B, 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 G. This would be B, B, G, B. This would be B, B, G, G. And hopefully you're getting the idea here. It goes all the way down. Here it'll be boy, girl, boy, boy. Oh man, I'm getting confused now. Boy, girl, boy, boy, and so on and so forth. Maybe I won't do the rest. That'll be a little bit too hasslesome. But let's take a look here. It says, if I want to take a look here, I want to find out, similar to before, how many total different options do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's 16 different options. Having 4 kids, you could have 16 different options, 16 different orders. Okay, now we're trying to find out how many will get us exactly 3. So far we can see that this gives us 3 boys. That's 1. This gives us 3 boys. That's another. This gives us 3 boys. That's another option. Let's take a look. Where else? Boy, girl, girl, boy, not boy, boy, boy. We could go this one. Boy, boy, boy. There's another one. All right. So this one here is girl, boy, boy, boy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are there any other ones that will give us 4 boys? Or 3 boys, sorry. Boy, girl, boy. No, that is it. So that means there is a 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a 4 out of 16. So that means here, to answer this question, I find the probability they get exactly 3 boys. It's going to be 4 out of 16. And again, with the correct notation, I should say, P exactly 3 boys. It's going to equal 4 and 16. And to simplify, that's just 1 and 4. Okay, hopefully that helps out with you guys with the multi-stage events. Again, I can't stress enough, draw a diagram, use a tree, use a table, either one, I don't care. Just pick one and go for it. Okay. Anyways, enjoy your exercises and I'll catch you then. Bye-bye.